Welcome back to my channel, Miss Medicine. This video is about recall questions of FMG June 2021 Ophthalmology. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So the first question is, a person suffers injury to eye with vegetative, which means fungal, matter or leaf, few days ago, has now developed pain and photophobia. What could be the most likely cause? Options are fungal keratitis and amoeba keratitis, bacterial keratitis, and herpes zoster. The correct answer is fungal keratitis. Next question, a newborn child presents with watering, which means lacrimation. On examination, the following image is seen. What is the most probable diagnosis? The answer is buophthalmus. Next question. A young boy complains of itching, watering of eyes, and rhinorrhea. On examination, the following image is seen. What is the diagnosis? The answer is vernal keratoconjunctivitis, cobblestone appearance. Next question. A lady suffers sudden painful loss of vision with worsening of pain on eye movements. A relative afferent papillary defect is present. On perimetry, there is a central scotoma in the involved eye. What is the most likely diagnosis in this case? Is optic neuritis. Next question. VY procedure is used for the correction of symblepharon, entropion, ectropion, and ankyloblepharon. The correct answer is ectropion. Next question. A girl has ptosis which decreases on sipping, fluids, and eating food. What is the most likely diagnosis? Options are blepharophimosis syndrome, complicated ptosis, Horner syndrome, and mechanical ptosis. The correct answer is B, complicated ptosis. Next question. A 3-month-old child presents with watering and discharge, which increases on pressing the inner cornea of the eye. What is the best management for his condition? The correct answer is sac massage. Next question. A person has vision of 3 by 60 but more than 1 by 60 in his better eye. What is the type of blindness he has? The answer is social blindness. Next question. A child with history of malnutrition was examined and following image of the eye was seen. What is the most likely diagnosis in this case? The answer is anterior staphyloma. Next question. A lady presents with pain and proptosis, orbital swelling, and loss of vision. On examination, the given image is noted. What is the most likely diagnosis? The answer is orbital cellulitis. Next question. What is the most common treatment for recurrent pterygium? The answer is conjunctival autograft. Next question. A child aged 10 years is having amblyopia in one eye. What is the best treatment in this case? Options are observation, occlusion, penalization, and none of the above. The correct answer is B, occlusion. Next question. A man suffered trauma to the right eye with a punch. Which of the following will be the most likely to occur in this case? The correct answer is inferior orbital wall fracture. Next question. A patient is diagnosed with complicated cataract and on slit lamp finding are shown in the given image. What is the type of cataract seen in this case? The answer is posterior subcapsular cataract. I already uploaded ophthalmology images or cataracts. If you are interested, you can watch that video. A person with jaundice and tremors shows following finding in the eye. What is the diagnosis? The answer is Wilson's disease. KF ring is showing in the picture. Next question. A 60-year-old diabetic male patient with history of severe breathlessness, pyrexia, tachypnea, and generalized malaise, RT-PCR from a nasopharyngeal swab was positive for the SARS-CoV-2 virus. On day 10, patient developed bilateral orbital swelling with right eye proptosis. What could be the most common organism involved? The answer is mucormycosis. Next question. Which of the following is the gold standard for measuring intraocular pressure? The answer is Goldman applanation tonometer. Next question. What is the diagnosis from the given fundus image of a diabetic patient with paleness loss of vision? Options are proliferative diabetic retinopathy, non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy, CRAO, and CRVO. The answer is CRVO. Next question, a person with a brain lesion presents with macula sparing homonymous hemianopia. What could be the site of lesion? Options are optic tract, optic chiasma, occipital cortex, and the optic nerve. The correct answer is C, occipital cortex. Next question, what is the most common finding seen in fundus of a patient with diabetes of more than 20 years duration? If there is new vessel, new vascularization is present, formation of new vessels, then the answer will be proliferative diabetic retinopathy. And if there is absence of new vessel formations, then the answer will be non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy. Next question, pigmentary changes between the posterior pole and equator known as salt and pepper retinopathy is seen in all except options are congenital rubella, fundus flammimaculatus, phenothiazide toxicity, and resolving retinal detachment. The answer is resolving retinal detachment. Next question, refractive error found here is myopia and astigmatism, and this is keratoconus. Next question, the above pathology is associated with, the answer is chlamydia trachomatis. Next question, all of the following are true about above procedure except. The correct answer is C, can be used in cases of hazy ocular media. This image shows the direct ophthalmoscopy and we can't see hazy ocular media with the direct ophthalmoscope. Next question, a patient present with ocular motion defect. The position of eyeball is shown in the image below. Identify the nerve involved in the following defect. The answer is oculomotor nerve. Next question is diagnosis is Bitot spots.